boys and girls, we have a new book today, and the title is Move. The author and illustrator are Steve Jenkins and Robin Page. So they both worked on this book together. And yesterday we talked about how people can move. Today we are talking about how animals can move. Move. There's our table of contents. Animals move in different ways. A gibbon swings through jungle trees, or walks on two back legs. A jacana walks on floating lily pads, then dives in to catch a fish. A blue whale dives deep, 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 and swims below the ocean waves. An armadillo swims across a stream, and when startled, leaps straight up. A crocodile leaps to snag its meal. After slithering silently into the water, a snake slithers through rustling leaves and climbs up into a tree. A praying mantis climbs a blade of grass, then spreads its wings and flies. A roadrunner flies, but not too far. It would rather run to catch its prey. A Arctic hare runs across the ground, then dances tumbling with its mate. A jumping spider dances to impress, then floats away on a thread of silk. A polar bear floats in dark, icy water and slides down a snow-covered hill. A penguin slides, splash, into the sea and waddles with its colony. The colony is its group or its family. Animals move in different ways. Waddle, slide, float, dance, run, fly, climb, slither, leap, swim, dive, walk, and swing. So animals move in different ways. How about you? All right, boys and girls, and then at the back of the book it talks about some of those different animals. All right, I am going to pull up, hopefully, your page for today. Let me grab it. Takes just a second to switch from one page to another on the computer. Let me see if I see it. Let me put in the page we need. Let's see if it comes up. There we go. All right, you have this page in your packet. Yours is black and white. The directions are to draw a picture of one of the animals in the story, and then, if you can, write just one word about how it moves. So if I was doing the crocodile, I could draw a picture of the crocodile, and I could either write the word dive because it dives under the water, or I could write the word leap because it leaps up to get its food. If I wanted to draw the snake, I could draw a picture of the snake and then write the word slither on it. So just choose one of the animals from our story and write how it moves. The grown-up, of course, can help you spell the word. You can take a picture of this and send it to me if you'd like to, so that I can see it before you turn in your packet. or of course you can just leave it in your packet and I will look at it when you turn it in. So any animal from our story. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.